had like a delay bit, you know?
Yeah.
Give you more of a... They're really just playing it like halftime to get that effect, yeah. It's fun to mess around with stuff like that. Yeah, it's really brilliant. I think it was originally played on like harpsichord or something like that. So, really cool song. Yes. What? We tried to get him here, man, but the distributor, there was a problem. I mean, yeah, I know, I'm bummed out about it, man. I know, I feel really bad. There's nothing I can do about it, though, you know, unfortunately. Sweating, man.